What's up everyone, it's ChaoMayMan here, and today we're doing another pack opening. Today I went to my recent Toysrus and I found one of these. A blister pack that includes Moltres, Articuno, and Zapdos in 2 packs. And a Pikachu coin, as you can see right here. So let us just get into it and see. This might be a really old pack. Old packs. It's from year 2015 if you see it. So let us just open it up and see what we get. Here we go. Watch me struggle to open this. Alright. So our first pack is Plasma Freeze from Black White. So we're going back. Our second one is Black White Next Destinations. And let me take the cards out. Hopefully I won't damage them in the process. Oh. Okay. Here is Zapdos. Leaving the background. Here comes Articuno. And let us... here's Moltres. I like Zapdos. I really like Zapdos out of the 3, but there's a bunch of people that love Moltres and Articuno. And here is the Pikachu coin. So here you go. Pikachu! Alright, so which one should we start with? Let's hope that we can get something good out of these 2 packs from Toysrus. I only paid 12 bucks for this, so it's a pretty good deal, as these ones are old packs. So let us start with Black and White Plasma Freeze. This is my first time opening this pack, so forgive me if I say the names wrong. Here we go. Let's go back. Here's a free code card for you. And let us... I'm not sure what the pack trick is, so I'm just gonna do the 3 in front, and hopefully I did it right. So starting off with a Special Energy. Palpitoad. Matang. Poniard. Makuhita. Wooper. Mankey. Eevee. This one's pretty nice. It has a gust of wind. A reverse hollow Dratini. And what is our rare? It's a Cacturine for our rare. So nothing in our first pack from Toysrus. Let us hope we get something legendary from this next pack. Next Destinations. Alright, here we go. Here is the code card for you guys. And let us see what we can get. Here you go. XP share. Heavy Ball. Nezaleaf. Sneasel. Miniful. Fungus. Pidove. Blitzel. A Persian reverse rare. And our last card is a holographic Shiftry. Alright, so this is our only hit. So let us review what we got from Toysrus. We got 2 packs in this. Really old packs. Plasma Freeze and Next Destinations. And we got our promo cards. Or no, not promo cards, just holographic cards from year 2012. We got Articuno, Zapdos, Moltres, and in our last pack, Black and White, we got a Persian Rare, Reverse Rare, and a Shiftry Hollow. Hope you guys liked this video. Please leave a like if you did, and Please subscribe if you are new and would like to see more videos of mine. And I guess I'll see you in my next video. I guess Pikachu says goodbye. Pikachu! Goodbye.